Welcome to the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ trim level. The LTZ is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine and mated up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Chevrolet Silverado, we have integrated chiller braking system, 4-wheel drive, as well as your automatic headlights and fog lights, memory seating, power windows, locks, and mirrors, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control, audio controls, and forward collision warning, 131,244 kilometers on the odometer, column shifter with trailer mode, heated and ventilated seating, a large 8-inch touchscreen with phone connectivity, OnStar navigation settings, dual zone climate control as well, power adjustable foot pedals. You do have parking sensors front and rear, lane keep assist, multiple avenues of electricity there, multiple outlets, all black interior with Bose audio, and our black leather heated and ventilated LTZ seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Chevrolet Silverado 1500, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, all blacked out rims with the Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack all-terrain tires, color matched door handles, as well as OEM running boards, Z71 off-road package, color matched mirror caps on the LTZ coming down to the front of the truck. We do have the LED daytime running lamps and fog lights, Z71 branded grille, LTZ color matched front bumper and grille as well. You do have your black bow tie, LED daytime running lamps there, recovery hooks. Making our way back down the side, crew cab truck, rear tinted privacy windows. Making our way back down the side, truck is equipped with remote start. We do have our rear parking sensors on the color matched rear bumper, LED brake lights, Silverado LTZ badging, as well as a blacked out bow tie, locked and tailgate camera system, and a tri-fold bed cover. Jumping into the interior of the LTZ Silverado leather 60/40 split, both end seats are car seat ready. We do have a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting, single pane sunroof, as well as you have a 12-volt outlet there in the back of the center console, rubberized floor liners installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.